Hey, everybody out there in the, interweb land, the YouTubes and the social medias and what have you. Me, Gori, just here telling everybody my problems. And I tell you, I don't want to be around people so much. I just get screams and all kinds of havoc, chaos. Well, anyway, Uncle Lumpy said that it's a little expensive feeding me around here, and I'm gonna get a job. Earn my living, he said. So he's trying to push me to go into the Dark Corner Carnival. I don't want to be in a carnival. I don't want to be chained up anywhere, put in a cage. But you scare the kids. Screw those kids. I don't want to be in a cage. I just want to be left alone. Besides, he's got Tutu talked in the joint in the carnival. I'm trying to get away from that guy. He drives me nuts. Psychopath. You know, I can't catch a break, people. Every time I feel like I've caught a break, it feels like I get hit by a freight train or something. Like a damn cartoon. Hey, look. Tutu left one of his Kit Kat bars out.
Welcome to the Tutu Show. Boy, trying to pull a fast one on me. You see, no one takes Tutu's Kit Kats. This is all I got. I tell you, they's caught me again. You know, the dark corner psych ward. They caught me again. And this time, they cut all of my hair off. And cut my beard off. Whoa, it pissed me off. So now, I'm so upset, I put Gori to the ground, and then I had to call Uncle Lumpy. Uncle Lumpy's like,
I'm not bailing you out this time.
So, I had to improvise. I had to do something. And I'll tell you what. I don't know who it was that called the cops. I know some dumb broad did it the last time. You know, remember Dr. Crusoe? Dr. Crusoe was my doctor. He was my psych or psychologist, whatever you want to call it. Remember I told you I cut his face?
Hello, I'm Dr. Crusoe, and I was Tutu's psychiatrist.
Ah, piss on him. Anyway, after my little spiel of everything. Tutu's back. Tutu's back. And he's back with a vengeance.